Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable DuckDuckGo email protection setup on iPhone. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Mail. Tap on Accounts. Choose Add Account. Select Other from the list of options. Tap on Add Mail Account. In the name field, enter your name as you want it displayed. In the email field, enter your DuckDuckGo email address. In the password field, enter your DuckDuckGo email password. In the description field, you can enter a label like DuckDuckGo. Tap Next to proceed. On the next screen, under Incoming Mail Server, enter the following details. For hostname, type in imap.duckduckgo.com. For username, use your full DuckDuckGo email address. For password, enter your DuckDuckGo email password again. Scroll down to the outgoing mail server section. For hostname, type in smtp.duckduckgo.com. For username, again use your full DuckDuckGo email address. Enter your DuckDuckGo email password once more in the password field. Tap Next. The Mail app will verify your settings. If all information is correct, you'll see a check mark next to each item. Tap Save to finish setting up your DuckDuckGo email. Return to the Mail app to check your DuckDuckGo email. Make sure to test sending and receiving emails to ensure everything is working correctly. You have successfully enabled DuckDuckGo email protection on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.